This guide will help you download invoices from Apollo efficiently. Follow these simple steps to access and save your invoices. Step 1. Log into your Apollo account. Go to the Apollo website and enter your login credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to access billing information. Step 2. Navigate to the billing section. Once logged in, locate the billing or account settings section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your profile settings. Step 3. Access invoice history. In the billing section, look for an option labeled Invoice History or Billing History. Click on it to view all your past invoices. Step 4. Select the invoice to download. Browse through the list of invoices and select the one you wish to download. There may be a preview option to review the invoice details before downloading. Step 5. Download the invoice. After selecting the desired invoice, look for a download button or link. Click on it to save the invoice to your device in your preferred format, usually PDF. Now you can easily access and manage your invoices from Apollo. If you have any further questions, feel free to consult their support resources.